At the Dutch Freshport in Ridderkerk, R&M has opened a new storage and transshipment building since June 2022. R&M, Looije Packing and IQ Packing have joined forces to support national and international suppliers of fruit and vegetables. R&M has room for 10,000 pallet positions, so the building is perfect for processing all kinds of orders, from large to small. R&M is responsible for in- and outbound, stock management, cooling, customs, quality control, and transshipment. Looije Packing and IQ Packing sort the fruit and vegetables according to the quality policies and package them according to the customer's wishes, ranging from a large scale of repacking to packaging options. Looije Packing is specialized in vegetables and hard fruit. With 3 companies under one roof, we can act quickly and often process the orders on the same day, depending on the size. By working closely with each other, we as companies know how to make optimal use of each. The strength of our collaboration is to operate as one team, to quickly coming up with a solution for the customers. Together, we can offer a one-stop shop solution for large and small orders.